Welcome to Back to Basics for chemical industries. Many of the useful products of chemical industries are acids, bases, or salts that are used. Ammonia, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and ammonium salts like ammonium nitrate and sulfate, just to name a few. Acids and bases work by the principle of moving around hydrogen ions. These hydrogen ions are usually called protons because a hydrogen atom without its electron is actually just a proton. We need to quickly go through some of the important rules when mixing acids and bases with each other to see what happens. Acids and bases react mostly to give a new substance. They do this by transferring a proton from the acid to the base. Remember that acids are chemicals which can donate a proton, while bases are chemicals which can get a proton. Now, importantly, acids and bases can undergo a neutralization reaction which causes a salt and water to be formed. These are examples you may remember from previous years. When the acid combines with the base gives its cation to the salt, while the acid donates its anion to the salt. In doing so, the salt has a much more neutral character, but the solution is not completely neutral. The salts made from strong acids and weak bases remain slightly acidic. The salts made from strong bases and weak acids are slightly basic salts. When used in fertilizers, farmers should know this, as the pH of the soil is of major importance for the health of the crops and which minerals are soluble from the ground. Acidic soils often harm microorganisms and make the iron and aluminium dissolve into the groundwater. So, farmers often add lime to neutralize the acidity and add calcium to the soil. Understanding acids and bases is vital for understanding how chemical industries make and use their products.